Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ferrari California in park. First, bring your vehicle to a complete stop using the foot brake. Once stationary, shift the gear selector into the N or neutral position. This is a crucial first step before engaging the parking brake. You'll then need to locate the electronic parking brake button, typically found on the center console or to the left of the steering wheel, ready for activation. To engage the parking brake, firmly press and hold the designated electronic parking brake button. You should see a confirmation light illuminate on your dashboard, indicating successful activation. Also, listen for the distinct sound of the parking brake mechanism engaging, which provides an audible confirmation that your vehicle is securely parked. This ensures the car is held in place. After engaging the parking brake, slowly release the foot brake to confirm the vehicle is securely held. The Ferrari California should remain completely stationary, without any forward or backward movement. Once you are certain the car is stable and not rolling, you can then proceed to turn off the engine, knowing your vehicle is safely parked. This step is vital for safety. Before exiting, double-check that all lights, including headlights and interior lights, are off, along with any other accessories. Remove the key from the ignition, or if keyless, ensure the power system is completely off. Finally, safely exit your Ferrari California, making sure to lock the doors for security. This completes the parking process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.